Welcome to the project management classes. The chapter 1 is to give you an overview about some basic definition for project management. So let's look at what's covered. The first thing you have to know is when people talk about projects, project is not routine. You have the specific characteristics. One, you need to have a clear, specific objective agreed by project sponsors. The project is a temporary. You finish one project and then move on to the next one. So for any project with a unique objective, they also have a specific the starting day and end day. So you have to try to finish your project in the timeline. Project managers usually need to garner resources from different departments, depending on the type of project you want to do. If you want to do a marketing project, you need to get someone from the marketing department. If you want to get someone from finance, then you have to get some. And sometimes you have to also involve the external stakeholders. So across the organization, participation is necessary. And when people talk about project is not routine. So it had to be something that has never been done. But hopefully with the project being completed, they can move forward with the strategic objective. And you have the specific time, cost, and performance requirements. Usually people are confused between project and program. And project basically is a subset of programs. And a program is a series of coordinated, related multiple projects that continue over an extended period of time and intended to achieve the goal. So project like writing a paper, it's a project. Taking personal is not. Project life cycle. Everybody has a life cycle. Challenge project manage non-repetitive tasks independently. Marshals resource. Link direct to customer. Provide direct coordinate integration. Respond for performance. The right people, right time to address the right issue. Make the right decisions. And nowadays, the other company try to get the product to the market as soon as possible. Because earlier you can do it, you have the first move advantage. Even there's a study showing you max 33% less if you have the product delivered to the market 6 months later than your competitors. Knowledge explosion. For any project you want to do, you require a diversified team with different expertise by different people from different areas. The sustainability issues. Small projects. Integration of project management provides senior management with a big picture of how organizational resources use, a risk assessment, the portfolio project, involved metrics, strategy. So it's good that you have a project, but if the project is not aligned with your company's business strategies, then whatever project you're proposing either will be underestimated, ignored, or not going to make an impact on projects. For instance, it'll be easier for me to get a buy-in if you have a project related to. Problem resulting on alternative project would be to not support a failure to prioritize project result in the waste of resources. And project management is a science, also an art. It's called yin yang. So the technical would be more like the yang, more the hopper. So you're going to learn scope management in these classes, how you do a planning with a Gantt chart, how you allocate resources, and when you have an over-allocate, how you level them out, so to minimize the conflict among the limited resources. How you set out a baseline budget and to see if you have exceeded the budget or have a budget under control. You want to create a 10-status report to monitor your projects. But even though with those tools that you've been able to master, don't guarantee your project will be delivered successfully. Because any project is composed of people, and people are emotional. So that takes a leadership, some good problem-solving skill, teamwork, and part negotiation to make sure that all the stakeholders will be involved in the projects and satisfied with the results. So they kind of conclude the chapter 1 to give you an overview of project management. field.